What if you could take WordPress, combine it with AI, and in just 15 minutes build something you never thought possible, like live audio visualizer? Let me show you how. This is Telex, a brand new AI-powered block building tool from Automatic. It's still experimental, but already doing some pretty impressive stuff. I've been playing around with it quite a bit, and the audio visualizer is one of the most fun things I've built with it so far. This block was inspired by the old iTunes music visualizer. You know, the one that turned all your songs into those wild, colorful animations? I always loved that experience, and I thought it'd be fun to create something similar using Telex and AI. So let's try it out. I'm going to select an audio file, drop it in, hit select, then save. Now, I'll jump over to the front end. I'm going to hit play, and just like that, the track starts playing and the visualizer responds in real time. Next, I wanted to make the visualizer respond to live microphone input, but there's a small technical issue. Because Playground is running inside of Telex, there's a browser level restriction that prevents access to the microphone. It's not a problem with Telex, just a limitation of how things are embedded. If I try switching to the mic input here, I get an error. Luckily for us, Telex automatically creates a plugin from your project that can be downloaded and installed on your own site. So I grabbed a copy of the plugin and ran it locally in my development environment. Now check this out. I'll switch the input to microphone, hit save, open the page on the front end. Now I'll hit start microphone. And just like that, the visualizer responds in real time to everything I'm saying. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. And here's the wild part. This took me about 15 minutes to build using a couple of prompts inside of Telex. If you want to try it out, I've dropped a link to the visualizer in the description below. Feel free to play around with it and do your own remix of it. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more demos like this or keep up with how Telex evolves, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to explore with this tool, and I'm excited to see what you'll build with it.